You're going.
Going? Okay, this is the Greatplanes. They call it an F-20. I don't know why they call it an F-20, but it's called a Tigershark. There's a glue there. These are just for show on the sides. There are little magnets on there, so we'll take those off to fly it. Bombs. Bombs for shooting other things in the air. And it's a pretty small, compact plane. It's got a little, tiny little engine that I've never seen before, but it seems to rip pretty good. This is the maiden voyage. I'll see if she'll fly. Pre-flight, up, left, right. There we go. There's nothing wrong with the speed. Pretty. Docile going up. My Tiger was really harsh on its ability to go vertical. That was as harsh as I could go vertical. I'll bring it in full throttle and go vertical. It's a little breezy. I'll bring it by full throttle so we can see the speed here. This is with the engine that came with it in it. Little doo-doo. It's breezy up there, so it's not quite as responsive as it normally would be. Alright. Bring it in.
Way too fast.
It's going fast! Nice. It's fast. That's a tiny little motor too. No 70, it's like 45 millimeter engine on it, but it's got obviously plenty of speed. Here it comes. Thank you.